Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, welcome to Making It Affiliates. I hope you're good. I'm going to show you, ladies and gentlemen, 3 steps that you can use to advertise your product if you are an affiliate person or you have an affiliate program that you have joined and you want to advertise your product or everything daily. All right, I've got 3 websites you can use. I've got a website which is called Your Business Google, and then I'm going to use also what we call Bintly to shorten your link, and then I'm going to use this website that you see on your face or on your screen. All right, you can join their affiliate program to actually make money by promoting their product. All right, let's go in. Now, first of all, you are on the website. Remember, you are looking for a product. Let's go and search for a product. You click show, shop the range. You can see that live long, live stronger, live smarter, or all the products. Okay, let me just click all the products. Now, you've got these products that are here. They are all here, guys. Okay. Okay, let me wait until it loads. There you go. So I'm going to choose one product. Okay, let me choose this thing here because I've done it before. Where is it? It's gone now. All right, I'm going just to take one product. Let me see. Let me just take this one. All right, let's get into it. Now you've got the product here. You've got the name of the product. You've got the price. You've got the description over here. Okay, on the description you just put the description. Now I will show you guys how you do this. First of all, you go to this website which is called Your Business Google, Your Business on Google. Now the name of the website, it's Your Business Google, I think. All right, somewhere there. I will put it on the screen. You will see it, guys. I've already put it, right? Yeah. So you come here. You've got your profile. You've created your profile. As you can see here, I'm verified. As you can see with that right there. And then you've got the review. If you want to do reviews, people, they will rate your website. Now you've got messages. If they message you, you can add a picture. With the picture, guys, let me open it. With the picture, I don't think you do a lot of things. Okay, you can just say picture. And then you can put a picture here, but the only thing you do is just post the picture. You are not going to write a lot of things. So but if you want to post the product, you come here where it says add update. Okay, you just click that and then you go to add update. You've got 3 options. It's either you want to update a product, you want to post the product, or it's an offer, or you want it's an event. Okay, let's do the add update. We will open the other one because it's important, I think. Now remember, you've got description here. You can add a photo. You can add a okay, let me do it step by step. First of all, you upload a picture. All right, let's go back to the website. Now how you will get the picture is just right click, you save the picture, or you can choose the other one, maybe like this one. You just, and then you save the picture to your computer or to your phone. All right, let's go back here. Now you upload a picture. I will upload any picture there. Let me see. I will take this one and then I will just upload it. You wait until it uploads and then boom, it's in. It's up to you whether you put 1 picture or 2 picture or 3 picture, whatever it is. Okay, you will decide on yourself. Now you go back to the website. Okay, and then you go to you take the name of the product, you copy the name, and then you go back to the website, you put the name of the product. The second thing you will do is to get a description. You go back to the website again, you just get the description, you right click, you go back to the website, and then you just paste the description. The last thing you will do, I believe, is to just take the price, and then you just copy the price, go back, and you do your thing, and then bam, there you go. And then you choose here. You've got options. Wow, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. It's either it's a booking, you want people to book, or order online, or buy, or learn more, or sign up, or call now. I will use order online because it's an online store. All right, now you need a link here. You can't post something without a link, guys. If you are part of an affiliate program, whatever you post, make sure there is a link, because the person might be interested in that and then they don't find the link, and then they will run away or go because they are lazy maybe to inbox you or call you. All right, put a link there. Now to find a link on this website, now the reason why I'm using this website is because I've told you guys, I've told you about it, so I'm using it. So you go to at the top, you see where it says your account, you click that, and when you get here, you go to the affiliate. You see this menu here on the left side, you just click affiliate, and then you see, well, there are stats here and everything like that. Okay, so you can see my visitors here so far. And then you go to your profile. Your profile will give you these links. You've got a default. Okay, I think I can call it a okay, I'm sorry, it's called a default link. This is the one that you can use. If you want, you can use the same one, but if you want, you can change it over here. You see here, you can put maybe say David DDD 63, okay, or maybe you can say David 63. When you check at the bottom here, you see here, it changes your link. It has your name or everything, and then you can copy that. All right. Now, the other thing that you will do after you have copied, as you can see the link there, after you have put a name or anything there, it is long. You see here, it's long, guys. As you can see, it's long. Now, people usually, when they are on social media or anything, when they see this type of links, they don't click them because they are long and then they are suspicious. You know, so you go to Bentley. This is Bentley, right? Now, I'm using this website to get a short link. As you can see, it's very short here. You see there, it's very short. It shortens it, okay? And then you copy the link, all right? Oh, let me show you how you do it. Yo, guys, let me maybe copy one of these at the top, and then I will show you how you do it. Copy that, and then you go to create here. You click create, and then you say link over here, and then you put the link over here, and then you can say where it is. You can say create at the bottom, okay? You create the link, and then your link will be, of course, like where is it? Where are my links? Like this one here. It will be short, as you can see, also here. All right. So let me copy. Yeah, I'm copying it again, and then you come back here. You see here, you put that link. You put it over here. Okay, as you can see there, it enters there. Let me preview for you, and then you will see how it looks. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, the person will click if they want to order, they click there, takes them to the website. Simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. You're done. That's how you will do it. This is the website I use. Let me just discard that. All right. Now the other way you can, okay, on social media, on Facebook, it is the same process. Okay, Facebook part, it's very simple. It's the same story. You just take the heading, you just take the description, you go to your, it's either you post on your page or on your group or anywhere. You can post on groups. Put the description, you put the price, you put the link. Make sure that the link is always there, and then anyone who sees it, they will click the link if they are interested. Okay, anything like that. So that's how, ladies and gentlemen, you can do it, which is so good. The other thing that I've noticed about Facebook is the fact that Facebook, they are allowing people now to change their account into a professional account. Their profile account, the one that is your personal account, you can change it into a professional one. All right, so you can go and check that out. I think you click settings and then you click account and then you get there. But I guess you guys will see that, all right, because we all know this is social media stuff. All right, I think that is it, guys, on this video. Now, this website that you see on the screen, I've made videos on it. You can go and become an affiliate pro, join their affiliate program and promote their products. Okay, I hope you okay. All the links of these websites, Bentley, that one of Google. You can get the links in the description if you want to join one of them and you want to use them to advertise. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Subscribe, like the video. That will be appreciated. As I always close it, shwee, shwee, shwee.